Hello everyone, myself Shubhangi. I stay here in Hyderabad, Safalguda. And I was having a major issue with my teeth. I was having some extra teeth as well, and then there were issues with the gums where I was not able to eat some cool items or some very hot items and all. And when I consulted a known dentist, then he said that I need to take out pluck out three teeth from just in front of my front teeth. But through my friend, I just came to know about Dr. Chandramohan sir, and then I've come here. I consulted him, and then he said, of course, mine is a complicated case, which I actually knew it, and but lucky me that he's given me that hope that yes, this can be, it can go in a better way. And then it was a 2-year journey. It was not a small journey, but that 2-year journey was really a great journey, I would say, because doctor was always supporting and sharing the suggestions that how I can make sure that my teeth and gum are improving day by day. And then I went on to a treatment of this orthodontic treatment where my teeth were set up, and then we pluck out smile now. And before I used to hesitate before smiling, but now I can smile open heartedly, and all thanks to Dr. Chandramohan sir. My only one thing which I have been able to do through this is just follow sir's instructions. Whatever gel he is asked to use, whatever paste he is asked to use, or whatever food he is asked not to eat or drink, I've diligently following that. And lucky me that the process has successfully gone through, and now I'm using aligners, I mean retainers, for the last 4 months, and my teeth are really good. I would say my smile is really happy. I'm happy with my smile as well, and happy with the treatment. So thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.